Hi friends, this is Archana from Learning with Play. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you've liked the previous two activities that I have posted. Today I will be doing a sight word activity. I have divided this video into two parts because I have a few activities that I need to show you. My child has turned 5 now, and we have recently started learning sight words. So I wanted to share all those activities with you so that you can use those activities for doing them with your child too. Okay, they're very simple activities, and I will explain all the activities as we go ahead. So let's start with the first activity. Now these are the rainbow cards that I have made, and these are for matching cards, but right now, since I don't have lamination pages, I haven't laminated them. I'll be laminating them as soon as I get my lamination sheets. So this you can use for matching activities. Now while doing sight word activities, make sure that you introduce only 3 to 4 sight words at a time, because sight words are basically, now what are sight words? First, sight words are words that we learn by sight. During our times we did not have phonics, so majority of the words that we learned were by using sight words. The kids need to memorize the sight words so that it is easier for them to read the sight words when they come across them during reading any books, newspapers, or any of those stuff. So these are the activities that I have done so that the child does not need to do a rote learning, but using these activities in a playful manner, the child can easily remember the sight words. Okay, so here the first matching activity. Now these are the rainbow cards. I have one or two more options. One is the ice cream cone matching option, and one is the frog and the leaf matching option. If you're interested to buy any of these activities, I have mentioned my number and my email ID in the description box below. Please do check out, and you can get in touch with me for these activities. Okay, so now you can give the child a set of 3 or 4 sight words, and the child can match the sight words and they can read it. It says A. Now the sight words cannot be spelled phonetically, so you need to give them, you need to say the sight words using the alphabets only. So here it goes A-W-A-Y, away, and the child says the word and matches the rainbow. So it's A-W-A-Y, away. The same way we have A-N-D, and. Here is A-N-D, and the child will match A-N-D, and. Then goes with B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. Now B-I-G, big can be spelled phonetically. So it's B-E-G, big, B-E-G, big. Some of the sight words can be spelled phonetically, like 6, 10, etc. Okay, so this is one sight word activity. This is a matching activity. Now the other sight word matching activity that you can do is, these are a set of sight words that I have printed on colored paper. This again I will laminate. Now this is the list 1 that the child needs to know in junior KG and senior KG. So I will go ahead and laminate these as well, and I'll put them in a ring binder so that the child can just go through and read whatever sight words are there. Now suppose this is and, you can do you can take printout of these 2 sets, and the child can match the 2 sets like A and D, and then again he can match an and. Otherwise what you can do is you can use some cloth pins, and the child can read the word here, and he will find the matching activity, and like, okay, this is D. I will find out the N. You should not keep so many cards so that the child gets confused. The cloth pins, you know how many alphabets are required, so just keep 1 or 2 extra so that the child can easily find out and do the activity. Okay, I'm not able to find out the A, but here you got my point. I hope so. If you have any doubts, you can always mention that in the comment section below. and I will get back to you on those. Okay, here I find the and. So here the child will say the letter A-N-D and he will match it. Now there is one more idea that I have with the popsicle sticks. As you know, I already like the popsicle sticks a lot. So I have written some sight words on the popsicle sticks. What the child can do is either you can make 2 popsicle sticks with the same sight words and the child can match those, or again the same thing you can do is the child can read A-N-D and he can make the word and with a clothespin on the popsicle stick. So this is one more activity that you can do, the matching activity with the popsicle stick. Now the other one is I have a few popsicle sticks on which I have written a few words. The child needs to match those words and say the words. So here he will find out the 2 matching popsicle sticks and he will read the sight word. It says A-N-D and. This is C-O-M-E come. Just keep in mind that you do not use more than 3 or 4 sight words at a time because it might confuse the child. And here is A-W-A-Y, away. Okay. Now moving on to the next alphabets is we can make sight words through magnetic alphabets or any kind of alphabets that you have. I have a few alphabet lacing toys. We use them for lacing, but here I will be showing you using different activities. For example, I have a word and. You give the child the word and he has to use the magnetic letters and make the word and. So he will find the letters and he'll make the word and. Now the same activity can be extended by using either kinetic sand, because this is fun and sensory for the child, so the child enjoys doing it. So you can give them the words and he will just make the words using the kinetic sand. You can use alphabet magnetic tiles also. These are not magnetic, these are lacing, so the child can even lace these if they want with the words. This is like a one sensory pin, and here what you can do is you can also use Play-Doh to make the same letters. Now he's made and, so the child can make and again with the Play-Doh. So these two become sensory activities and it improves their fine motor skills also. It's very good for pre-writing also. Okay, so this is one set of activities. Now what you can do is, these are some alphabet tiles. I have found them on the internet. I also have a set of alphabet tiles that I have made, but since I do not have lamination sheets, I have not printed them and cut them. But if you want, you can get those also. So here what you do is you keep randomly you keep some tiles and you ask the child to make the word blue. If you ask the child to make the word blue, so the child, what will the child do is, what will the child do is, the child has to find out the alphabet which says blue. You don't have to show them this word, so it makes them, it helps them to even think about the word and then they can make the word. This same activity can be done with these tiles also, these alphabets also. If you don't have alphabet tiles, you can use these also to make the words. So suppose this is the word the child makes. This is blue. Alright. Now, so this becomes a sight word scramble game. You keep some scrambled words here and there. This is like away. So the child will make the word away. You just tell them it's away. Can you find the word away, or can you make the word away? And this is the way the child will make the word. Okay. Now there is one more activity which is the sight word find activity. Now these I have made worksheets for different kind of sight words or a first list of sight words. So if you want, you can again get in touch with me. My number is in the description box. What the child can do here is, if you have dot markers, you can use the dot markers. I have some dot markers. So what the child has to do is, I've mentioned the sight word that they need to find out. So what the child will do is, he will find out that he will read this word, he will check for all the alphabets, and then he will mark the one which has a blue on it. Okay, if you do not have dot markers, what you can do is, you can use stickers like this. You can write the sight words on these stickers, and what the child has to simply do is check for the sight word here and find out the sight word which is matching, and just stick a sticker on that sight word. Okay. This is one activity. Another activity that I have here is, these are dot to dot sight words. Now what here the child will do is, he will use a cotton bud and some colors, where he just needs to use the cotton buds and make dots on the alphabet and say it. It's A. A, the sight word A, and then he will do the same thing with and. Kids enjoy doing these activities. This improves their fine motor skills, their visual skills, and their pre-writing skills. So as many times as you can do it. If you want to reuse these again and again, you can go ahead and laminate these, so that you can just wipe them off once the child has done with it. Okay, so this is one. If you do not want to use colors, what you can do is use stickers. I have some stickers here. So what I have to do is, I'll just go ahead and the child will put the stickers here on the alphabets, or you can just write the alphabets and the child can put stickers. This also improves their fine motor skills, because peeling out the stickers is again a good fine motor activity for the finger muscles. So you can go ahead and try this activity also. So, and for the next video, I have a few more activities lined up, a few more games lined up, and I will share them with you in the next video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or regarding any activity, please do write it in the comment section below. Alright, and if you wish to purchase any of the activities shown in the video, please get in touch with me on my email ID or my WhatsApp number. I have mentioned both of them in the description box. If you like the activities, please give a thumbs up. Also do like and subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell icon on so that you can receive a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Also share a pic of activities you tried with your kids, and you can also subscribe on my Facebook page and Insta page, the links of which I have shared in the description box below. I share a lot of fine motor activities and other activities on my Insta and Facebook pages also. Thank you. Bye-bye.